If we want the series of digits automatically in Excel, we type 1, 2. After that, we drag it down with the help of mouse. You see the series appears. If we want the series in alphabet, we do the same thing. The result will not come. For lowercase, if we do the same thing, A, B, and drag it down with the help of mouse, the series will not be printed. For the series in alphabet, we have to type the formula. For the formula, type equal to char, 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 parenthesis open, type another formula row, parenthesis open, type the initials of cell C, 65. 65 is the sky value of capital A, parenthesis close, press enter. A will appear on your screen. Drag it down for the complete series. In this way, uppercase alphabet will be printed on your screen. Type equal to char, parenthesis open, type another formula row, parenthesis open, type initial of cell D, 97. 97 is the value for the lowercase alphabets. You will see the lowercase a, drag it down for the complete series. In this way, we are able to print the series of alphabets in Excel. I hope you understand. Thanks for watching.